Okay, here's the 5E3. It's a Mojo tone build. I'm just gonna flip it on. Hopefully you can hear this, but there's a very low hum coming out of the speaker. Nothing's plugged in. Doesn't really change if I turn knobs. I get just a little bit of static like you'd normally expect with the volume all the way up. This is tone in both volumes all the way up. This is everything all the way down. Okay. Turn it around. Okay. So just so you can see the inside. Everything looks okay to me. Chopstick a bunch of different areas and nothing changes in terms of the hum. And here's the jacks. Same thing. Hopefully fairly clean runs. Everything's grounded properly. All the voltages are good. I did do modern wiring for this. So anyway, please let me know if this is normal, if we can do any better with that really low level hum. Thank you.